Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do I need a ductless unit in every room of the house? No. While you won't need a single indoor unit for every room in the home, the outdoor unit does attach to multiple indoor wall-mounted units. Many homeowners use ductless mini-split systems to zone their homes.
Let's help you make your mark.
What makes a mini-split cost more? The cost of a mini-split goes beyond just the purchase price. The split system itself can cost anywhere from $700 to $7,000, which is a very wide range, so there are options for different situations and budgets. The installation of a mini-split typically costs around $800 to $1,500 per zone.
Let's help you make your mark.
Tips for positioning a ductless mini-split units installed in the bedroom should be placed directly above the bed or on the wall above your feet to ensure maximum comfort. Wall-mounted indoor units must be installed in a way that allows for easy access to the air filter and louvers.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You want better heating or cooling in the home office, the living room, and the bedrooms. That means you'd have to get a multi-zone mini-split system with 5 units. While the compressor is always outside, these 5 units would be installed indoors in the various rooms of your home.
Let's help you make your mark.
A ductless mini-split installation costs $3,000 to $10,000 on average. A mini-split AC system costs $1,500 to $8,000 on average, depending on BTU size in tons, SEER rating, mount type, and number of zones. The average labor cost to install ductless air conditioning is $500 to $2,000.
Take our lead.
When you consider everything you get in return, ductless mini-splits are definitely worth the cost. Not only do you save money up front, but you do so over the long run as well. If you have questions about the cost of installing a ductless mini-split AC system in your home, contact us to schedule a free consultation.
Take our lead.
When it comes to ductless AC, here's what you need to know. It almost always adds value to your home. This is particularly true if you don't currently have any air conditioning. Learn to live through the hot summer months without AC. Take on the cost of installing ductless AC or central air.
Take our lead.
There are generally up to 4 indoor zones. If you don't have central air conditioning, consider using a multi-zone system to cool different areas of your home, which can be on multiple floor levels thanks to long refrigerant lines.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.